classic song yung pag-aaralan natin ngayon. What Matters Most by Kenny Ramke. So yung aking kapo nasa 2nd fret, gayahin nyo na lang ako mga lods. Yung ituturo kong intro nito ay hindi yung eksaktong nadidinig nyo sa recordings. Pero pasok na pasok pa rin yung tunog nito. Alright, simulan natin sa kanyang intro. It's not how long we have. Alright, yung unang gagawin natin, kakalabitin natin yung 3rd string open, 2 kalabit. Next, 2nd string, 1st fret, 1 kalabit lang. Lilipat ka sa 1st string open, 1 kalabit din. 1st string ulit, 2 kalabit, nasa 3rd fret. Then babalik sa 2nd string, 1st fret, 1 kalabit lang. Then 1st string, 1st fret. 1st string ulit, open. Yung last note, 3rd string, 2nd fret. Bali ganito ng kasunod yan. Okay, turo natin yun. Diba yung last kanina, 3rd string, 2nd fret? Okay, dagdag natin yung 1st fret, 2nd string, ito, hintuturo. Yun, 2nd string nasa 1st fret. Then itong ring finger nyo, 4th string, 3rd fret. Ganyan yung position. Tapos, pindutin natin yung bass ng G. Yung ginamit ko yung thumb ko mga lords. Sigurado ako abot nyo naman yan. Ganito yung pag-pluck yan. Okay, medyo binilisan ko rito. 6, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, then 3, 2, 1. Pero yung 1 mga lords, nakapindot yung hindi-lead ko sa 3rd fret, 1st string. Okay, 6, 4, 3, 2. Medyo bilisan nyo mga lords yung pagkalabit. Then 4, 3, 2 ulit. Tapos 3, 2, 1. Yun, 1 na 3rd fret. Okay, ulitin natin. Next, ibabar natin ito. 3rd fret, 5, 4, 3, 2 na string. Yan. Ginamit ko na yung ring finger ko. Tapos, E position dito. Diba ganito yung E? Pero dito tayo. Tapos, 2nd string, 1st fret. Parang D11 position yan. Pero in-strum ko yung 5 string to 1st string. 5th string to 1st string, in-strum ko yan. Tapos, C. Yan. Then, meron tayong ganito. Yon, bago pumasok sa verse, di ba, meron siyang ganun. Naka-C position yan, kinalabit ko yung 3rd string. Then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then 1 ulit, pero pipindot ko na sa 3rd fret yung 1st string. Okay, 3. Alright, 3, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 ulit, nakapindot na. Then pasok sa verse. Okay, pagsamahin natin lahat bago tayo tutungo ng first verse. Meron kasi akong mga chords na hindi sigurado kung anong tawag mga lods. Kaya hindi ko na lang nilagay yung mga chords ng intro dyan. Gayahin nyo na lang yung ginawa ko. Okay? Punta tayo ng verse. Okay, pa-play ko muna yung verse 1 natin. It's not how long we held each other's hand. What matters is how we love each other. Bali, ganun yung verse 1 natin. Hindi ko alam kung paano hahatiin yung song na to, kung ano yung refrain niya, kung ano yung chorus niya. Kaya ang ginawa ko na lang, ako na lang yung nag-decide kung ano yung verse at kung ano yung refrain para hindi kayo maguluhan mga lods. Bali, yun yung kanyang verse 1. Ang unang chord, C. It's not how long we... C over E. Ang C over E, naka-C position pa rin yan. Yung bass lang natin, yung 6th string bass ng E. Okay, C. It's not how long we... C over E. Held each other's F hand. And passing chord natin yung C over E. Patungong D minor. What matters is G. How will we love C each other? Passing chord din natin yung G over B. Yung G over B, 2nd string 3rd fret, then 5th string 2nd fret. Passing chord yan mga lods, patungong refrain 1. Okay, ulitin natin yung verse 1. It's not how long we held each other's hand. What matters is how we love each other. Ganito naman yung refrain 1. It's not how far we travel on the way, what we found to say. It's not the spring you see, but all the shades of green. Okay, ang unang chord dyan, A minor. It's not how far. A minor over G. Lilipat lang natin yung ring finger natin sa bass ng G. It's not how far. A minor over G. Travel on the D over F sharp. Way. Then G of what we. Alright? G, diba? But what we. Then G over F. Lilipat lang natin yung bass sa bass ng F. Naiwan pa rin yung first string dyan sa 3rd fret. What we found. Then C over E to say. Then F. It's what you C over E sees. Yon D. It's not the spring you see. Yon. Okay, ulitin natin. Not how far we travel on our way, what we found to say. It's not the spring you see. Yan, chord ng D. Then ganito. But all the shades of green. Chord na to, tinawag ko siyang F minor over G sharp. Yung 6th string nasa 4th fret, bass ng G sharp yan. Then yung 2nd string nasa 6th fret, 3rd string nasa 5th fret. But the next F minor over A, nilipat ko lang yung bass ng G sharp patungong bass ng A. Yan, nilipat ko lang. But all the shades of green G. Yan, ganun yung refrain 1 niya. Ulitin natin. It's not how far we travel on the way, what we found to say. It's not the spring you see, but all the shades of green. Alright, yung verse 2 natin ay same lang din yung mga chords. Nandyan yung lyrics. It's not how long I held you in my arms, what matters is how sweet the years together. ito, refrain 2. Medyo naiba yung chords. Ganito, play ko muna. It's not how many times we had to give to fall. The early morning smile we cheerfully recall. What matters most is that we love at all. Okay, ang unang chord sa kanyang refrain 2 ay tawagin natin itong, di kasi ako sure sa mga chord na to, pero bininyagan ko lang siya. Ito isang string lang, second string, first fret. Then yung bass ko ay bass ng A, fifth string open. Tinawag ko siyang F over A. It's not how many. Rinak ko lang siya ng 5, 4, 3, 2. It's not how many. Tapos G. Okay. Pinull off ko yan para meron yung ganong riff. Pero kung ayaw nyo ng ganon mga lads, kahit normal G lang kayo, simple na pluck nyo lang, simpleng plucking. It's not how many summertime. Then F. We had to give. Then C over E. Fall. F ulit. The early morning. C over E. Then yung nakakulong, close and open parenthesis yung B flat, C at F. We tearfully recall. Hold 10. Part na what matters most, D minor yon. Strumming na natin dito. What matters most. Then F. Is that we G love at all. Diretso na yun sa instrumental niya mga lods. Ang chords ng instrumental niya ay chords ng verse. Ulitin natin yung second refrain niya. It's not how many summertime we had to give to fall. The early morning smile we tearfully recall. Okay, dun sa recall, dagdagan natin ng galing F, di ba? I-open natin yung bass ng F. Magiging open yung 6th string patungong D minor. What matters most is that we love. Then instrumental at all. Ulitin nyo lang yung refrain to. It's not how many sometimes we had to give to fall. The early morning smile we tearfully recall. What matters most is that we love at all. Bumagsak sa C, di ba? Then ulitin yung line na what matters most is that we love at all. Ay pupunta ka ng F. Then open, 6th string. What matters most is that we love at all. Yun, pwede nyo i-smooth sa chord ng C o kaya at all. Then C. Yan, parang kumuha lang kayo nung part ng intro dun sa simula. Then bagsakan nyo ng chord ng C. Ganun lang yung what matters most. Sana nagustuhan nyo mga lods. Yung pluck na ginawa ko dun, ano lang, kahit anong pluck ang gawin nyo, basta ang una nyong gawin ay yung bass yung una nyong kakalabitin. Pala na kung ano yung isusunod nyong kakalabitin. Maraming salamat ulit at mabuhay po kayo. Bye bye.